Hello traders. In today's video, we are exploring the ICT Bullish order block strategy. This approach focuses on identifying specific price zones that the ICT framework considers as areas of institutional buying interest. Let's get right into it. On the chart, a bullish order block is identified as the last bearish candle or zone before a significant upward move occurred. The theory suggests that this zone represents an area where institutional buying took place. Traders then observe whether price returns to this zone in the future and how it reacts when it gets there. The order block is typically marked as a rectangular zone on the chart. It is a discretionary approach where traders manually identify order blocks by looking for the last opposing candle before a strong move. Some traders use automated tools that attempt to mark these zones, but the core concept relies on visual chart analysis. Who is it for? This strategy is suited for traders studying ICT concepts and price action analysis. It is an analytical framework only and does not execute trades. The identification of order blocks is subjective, and not all order blocks will produce a meaningful price reaction when revisited. False signals are common, and proper risk management and additional confluence are essential. If you'd like to download this tool or learn more, I've included a link in the description below. This has been another video from the Forex Geek. If you found it useful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.